Here's Austin Strand activating in. Behind the net, Hartman jumps it out in front and bouncing out. It was Kincaid, then it was loose. And the IceHogs able to score. Here's David Gust, forced to the outside, looking to set off of Kincaid. Wraparound try, Gust scores. Drop pass to Terry, comes out to center. Now the other way, it's Assini counter-attack, dropping off for Gutman, out in front. Pitlick shoots, he scores. What a sequence that was. Here's a shorthanded break for Sanford, and he scores. Zach Sanford has 2, and a shorthanded goal makes it 4-0 Rockford. Nate Soucies to Terry, over to Donovan. Donovan looking down low. Grimaldi will give it back. Donovan to Terry, one-timer, and Presso sliding makes the save. Donovan to Grimaldi. 15 seconds of the two-man power play. Grimaldi's wrister, and Comesso makes the save. Here's Cates deep, and a play for Sanford, looking for the hat trick, kept out by Shield. Centering pass again, Shield comes out, challenge, backhand, and Tepley scores. That was a nice move by Tepley, who had so much time. Off of Green, and now maybe a 2-on-1. Here's Pitlick, brings it in with Gutman, pass to Gutman, he scores.